Good morning everybody, welcome to another garden vlog. See, the pretty little birds are peeking out through the leaves. Here also, and they are also everywhere. Those three little chunnu punnu babies, which are not visible through camera anyway. Here are more birds. Many plants are dying up because of excessive heat. And here is a little pooky water lily bird. Again a bright color water lily. Again these bougainvilleas. I don't know why this plant is drying up so quickly. Its leaves are not looking healthy and the flowers are also drying up. Might be this red and peach color. And here comes my pretty lovely roses, which makes me happy. And behind this is the moss rose plant. Lovely flowers. And this office time flowers are also even the prettiest. That's all for today. Have a nice day.